Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making Saja bread. You will need 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of cold milk, 5 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 100 grams of butter. Start by sifting the baking powder on top of the flour. Add salt and mix it with a spoon. Then add the cold milk. Five tablespoons of yogurt, and knead the dough until it stops sticking to your hands, but make sure it's still soft. The dough should be soft and smooth. Divide it into 4 pieces and shape each piece into a round ball. Cover them with plastic wrap to prevent drying out. Mix 100 grams of softened butter with half a cup of oil until it's well combined. Lightly flour your work area and take the first piece of dough, stretching it as much as you can. Set it aside and repeat with the second piece of dough. Spread the oil and butter mixture on top of the first layer. Place the second layer on top. And repeat this process with the remaining dough pieces. After the last layer, you can either use a rolling pin to stretch the dough or stretch it by hand. Roll the dough tightly from the bottom up, stretching it further as you roll. And then shape it into a spiral. Place it on a plate, cover with plastic wrap, and let it chill in the fridge for at least 60 minutes to harden the butter. After chilling, lightly flour your work area again and stretch the dough to fit your baking pan. Beat 1 egg and brush the dough with half an egg. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper, transfer the dough onto it, and adjust it to fit the pan, pressing it to touch the edges. Scratch the dough all over with a fork, then use a razor blade or sharp knife to make cuts every inch or half inch. And don't cut it all the way through, just barely on the surface. Brush the dough with the remaining egg wash. Preheat your oven to 390. Bake the dough for 25 to 30 minutes until it's beautifully golden. The result should be crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, with visible flaky layers and an incredible smell. You have to try it. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.